Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Poco phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to on and use guys double tap to lock screen. Friends, you want to on guys your Poco phone guys double tap to lock screen. So guys, when you will double tap on your screen, so your screen will off automatic. So friends, how to on this setting on Poco phone and how to use it. Today friends I am going to show you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. Open your phone setting friends to on double tap to lock screen. So when first we will on phone setting. After on phone setting friends, scroll it. Friends, click on guys your Poco phone home screen setting. Home screen setting here, tap here. Then guys scroll it. Friends, you can see double tap to lock screen setting. So friends, on your double tap to lock screen, double tap a blank spot on the home screen to lock. So double tap to blank area, then guys you can off your screen. As you can see get this blank area, and guys now we will double tap so screen will off automatic. So like that guys we can on and use guys the double tap to lock screen. So friends, you can lock your phone with double tap guys. When you will double tap screen will lock guys. So are you friends, you understood how to on and use double tap to lock a screen. Friends, you don't want to use, you can off from your search bar. Search here get double tap. Friends, you can see double. Friends, you can see double tap lock screen setting is second last option double tap. So I search guys here double tap guys, double tap lock screen, and guys now you can off from here friends. Now when you will double tap guys, you cannot turn off your screen with your double tap guys, screen will not off. So friends, you want to use, so I tap here, then guys now you can use your double tap to lock screen setting. So I hope you understood how to on and off get double tap to lock screen on Poco phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.